Who wants to tag team that? You know, this is my, anytime, like, we're gonna have a journey ahead of us. And I really love you introducing yourself as we prepare. You think about that for those who would like to give our family a sense of our individual strengths that make up the whole. And Dr. Sharita, definitely we like to hear, you know, 10 years our dear sister Dr. Sharita has been, you know, here. And I was like, 10 years, you really? I'm like, wow. So would you like to hear from Dr. Sharita share about her 10 years here in Ghana that may give us, you know? Hey, you want to speak on the affirmation? Whatever Dr. Sharita, yeah. Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me, sister. Where's Nuri? Nuri's here? I need you to come with me. Oh, she's waking up. Take your time. Oh, you wake up quick, just like I do. You ready? Okay, yeah, leader has to be ready on a dime. We move out on a dime. And I want you to, you know, introduce yourself. And then you're going to share what you shared with me when you came and got Mama Sass's hand and gave me the affirmation for today. Yes, we did. Now look, family. We lead by example. We lead by example. And the universe is watching us. And a child has led the way. Yes. And we honor Mama and Daddy, who will come up shortly after. We'll allow Daughter to introduce her parents. And I'm going to give you the mic to my dear sister princess, Nuri. And you can do with it what you will. We're listening to you.
Africa needs greatness.
Africa needs greatness. Let's say it together 3 times. Africa needs greatness. Africa needs greatness. Africa needs greatness.
And then what was the other one?
The second one, please.
Greatness is welcome here.
Greatness is welcome here with feeling. Greatness is welcome here. One more time. Greatness is welcome here. That's so excellent. Now tell us what you want us to know about you. We want you to introduce yourself,
your parents,
and whatever you want to say. Right.
My parents are the greatest parents in the world.
Oh, yeah! They are. They are. Tell us more.
And they love me so much.
Yes, they do. Yes. It's so important that our children know that and speak that. Speak more. What do you like?
And I like them. I like them more than I love them so much.
Yeah, you like them more than you love them so much. Now, let's hear about the book that you will be writing that's being written through you that we were talking about when we were walking, when you were holding my hand.
I am going to write a book about Ghana.
Aww. It's going to be the best.
Amen.
Absolutely.
In the whole world ever.
It's going to be the best.
Would you like to say anything to us at all, at any time? This is your mic, your journey. We saw a butterfly, didn't we? We saw a butterfly yesterday.
Tell them about the butterfly.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. The one that you said this.